You are tuned in to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts. Hello. How are you? How are you? How's Phyllis? How's Phyllis doing? Huh? What about Francine? Francine okay? What's she doing? I'm having trouble hearing you. All right, guys. Just a little goofy action. We got a nice little delivery in. Came in actually a couple days ago. I haven't filmed for a couple days. I had a wild doozy of a weekend with the boys. What do we got here? Oh, we got some new tires. New tires. These are the fronts. You got the other one here on the ground. The fronts. And what are they? You got the Nitto NT555 G2 285 35 ZR18. So these are the two fronts and the two backs. I ordered. You'll see what I ordered when I get it, but they're apparently on back order. They should be here. They say 2-3 weeks, but the wheels themselves are on order. They're going to take a while as well, so the tires should be here before the wheels, according to what I've been told so far. But sometimes people lie. They lie sometimes, you know? Hopefully it works out fine. I think it will. I have confidence. I'm optimistic. I think we'll be good. We'll be good, people. Yeah. It'll work out. It'll work out in the end. It always does. What's the worst that's going to happen? You die? You die. What are you going to do? Alright, so what we got left? We got the front driver's side wheel on. Got that all buttoned up. Still going to do the rears. You can see I did get the rotor down there. There's one of them. The other one's in the box right here. I haven't pulled it out yet, but the other one's in there. I checked. It's in there. And here, actually, I already told you this. It's not. I did order this piece. This piece there. I did order one. Got it off eBay for like $40. So. That's supposed to be here tomorrow. So, woo! Popping off, son! So, that'll be here tomorrow. Try not to hit anything as I walk around here. You know, tight around here. You know, this guy don't like me. I still got marks on my body from that little bastard. It's tight here. I gotta move this. I gotta move these somewhere out of the way. Definitely gonna be in the way. Well, should be able to get this guy out of the way. Put this guy out of here. Because it's not needed. Maybe I'll find some other room, some other things I can move out and put somewhere else too. Alright. On to them. son. Alright, changed my mind a little bit on the cover and the holes. Vinyl, I didn't really change my mind, it was changed for me. The vinyl, sorry about that, had to make an adjustment with the camera. Alright, so the vinyl didn't work. Because if it's not all on a flat surface, apparently it doesn't stick. I guess I didn't know that because the only times I ever vinyl was over just flat surfaces, the side of a body, or a windshield, or window, or whatever the case. So I did this with all the. I got a sticky plastic wrap. So I did a sticky plastic wrap here. It's I got it at Home Depot. It's for protecting carpets and stuff like that when you're working in people's houses. So that way you don't up. I did that. And we got this guy in. So we'll be putting her in a little while. That goes where that guy is. I'll give you a better picture once I take it out. How banged up the old one was. And then we're gonna do a little unveiling here of the other car. Ta-da.
I'm going to be doing a voiceover here for you because the audio really sucked because it was windy. And it was windy because Mother Nature hates me. She hates me with a passion. But here is the 2003 350Z Daytona Blue touring model that I drove up from Florida, so it doesn't have any rust. The body is in pretty damn good shape, not 100% perfect because, let's face it, it's a fairly old car. But it does have a few problems. One of the problems right here is an antenna that is pretty damn loose because it has a loose nut. Its nuts have dropped, and I can't put them back up and tighten it. So I'm just going to play with it a little bit to show you that it has a loose nut. Because I'm a loose nut. It is what it is. I'm a loose nut. A wild one too, baby. Overall, the paint was in really good condition. It does have the swirl marks, love marks, as some people like to call them, so it is going to need a good polishing and a good detail once I'm done with all the work. I am putting to the rear wiper that I am going to be taking the rear wiper out, and I'm going to be putting a rear wiper delete, and we're waving bye-bye to it. Bye-bye! So it has some tinted windows already, because it was a Florida car, so it gets pretty damn hot and sunny down there, so they decided, oh, let's get the windows. Why not? The side mirrors were, the paint's kind of worn off and faded. I think they had a car cover on it, and the same thing happened on the other side. So it's got worn out. I'm going to be putting the mirrors from the other seat that I already took off onto there when I get around to it. This is the lower front bumper area where the lip would bolt to, or attached to. It's pretty damn scuffed up. It's like it has flat paint on it, or maybe they use some Scotch-Brite. Maybe there's some bad tar, and the guy at the dealer decided, oh, I'll just use some Scotch-Brite and take that right out because soap and water isn't working, and I'm tired of working on this today. Here's the tan interior that I don't like. Tan is going out. Black is coming in. Black is the new tan, folks. It's in pretty good shape. The only thing that's stained is the steering wheel, the carpet, and half of the center console. Because everything else is tan, and the seatbelts too. The seatbelts are staying. They're staying in there to keep me nice and tight. I like to be tight. But the side bolsters, they melted some plastic in there, like they got a little too happy with some cooking action or something. They had a hot griddle in there and started burning some things. But overall, it wasn't in bad shape. I just don't like tan. To each their own. And this is my own, so I'm gonna do what the hell I want to do with it. You don't like that? You can go F yourself. Go F yourself with a big stick.
Hell yeah. Mother passed. Yeah, son, yeah. Alright. Next up is that guy. I'll do a little time lapse here, putting that on there. all that, and we're wrapping her all up. Like it's Christmas morning. It's Christmas morning. So we are done with putting the wheels on. We got the brakes on. We got the wheels all mounted up. Took care of the front right lower control arm. That's all squared away because the wheels on the bus go round and round. And we are at the point where we're ready to jack her down onto the ground and roll her the hell up on out of here. I'm tired of looking at her face. Want a new face to look at. That's what happens. That's how things get started when relationships start going bad. When you need to see a new face. You're tired of the same old one. Time to roll out the banged up one that didn't take care of herself properly. She gotta let herself get a little dented. And time to roll in the new girl that has a pretty mascara and the nice hair and, you know, got her hair and nails did. So we're gonna roll her in very shortly. And roll this guy out of here, this girl out of here. Let's not get crazy now. Well, let's roll this girl out of here and make room for the new, fresh, pretty girl. It doesn't, you know, didn't go to the hospital or anything. So that's going to be the next video coming out very, very soon. Coming right back at it. Up into your face. Gonna get all up in your face. Next one's going to be a good one. You're going to want to watch. And if you don't watch, you should watch, because I said to watch. That's how it goes. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down here. And we're good to go. Drive fast, take chances.